So once you got your sources and you're going to write your paper, for each source, it's the research findings that count. It's not all the other shit in the article. So when I say that you need to have quantitative, empirical research articles as your sources, it's because of the quantitative, empirical part of it. Right? That's the valuable part. That's the proof. Okay. Everything else in the article is just a couple of professors saying, well, this is what I think. What we care about is what they prove, what they show, what the data find. Okay, that's what we care about. All right, so we're going to do some more examples because these are fun, right? So I grabbed this. I don't remember the article. So we have here an assertion, although this is in the front half of the paper, right? This is not a research finding. This is something they said. They said, although the list of potential motives is naturally quite extensive, this is motives for sports fans, 8 motives appear to be particularly common among fans. For an in-depth discussion, you can see these other articles: escape, economic motives, use, stress, self-esteem, and so forth. So if I'm writing my paper and I have this as my source, I could say sports fans are motivated by 8 things: escape, economics, use, stress, blah, blah, blah. And then I cite it, Wan, 2005. That's this person right here. This article is Wan, 2005. Okay, is this an appropriate use of evidence for my research paper? This is wrong. We don't do this. And I'll tell you why. Because first of all, because Wan 2005 says it, that's not evidence. And second of all, you think, well, no, but he's citing evidence. But you know what? What if he's citing it wrong? Like, what if he is misrepresenting the evidence? Okay, and then you just bought into it, and then you misrepresented the evidence because you trusted him. You can't trust him. Okay, you got to go see the evidence yourself. All right, let's look at another one. Okay, so here's another one. In other words, the more entertainment a user may experience, the less he or she will learn from it. From a psychological point of view, this view is just as obsolete as the understanding of entertainment as an objective feature of the offer. I think this is from one of your assigned readings this quarter, by the way. So then we get Vorderer, 2001, has argued that the idea that entertainment and information are mutually exclusive is obsolete. So this is not great, but it's not terrible, because at least it's honest, right? It's not pretending that this is evidence, right? It's just saying, here's an argument that this one guy made. It's not evidence. He didn't prove it, but he did say it. Right? So you can do stuff like this, but don't pretend that it's proof. Okay? Don't say this and then say, therefore I have demonstrated conclusively that entertainment is not whatever. This is because you're going to cite theories, and this is how you do that. So this is not, if I see this in your paper, I'm not going to red pen it, I'm just going to say, okay, well that's nice. What does the proof look like? And then here we have some results from an experiment. The mean change, this is another assigned reading, by the way, so that's good. The mean change in hope for the group viewing the humorous video was 1.25, whereas the mean hope change for those watching the neutral video was 0.62, resulting in a statistically significant difference of 0.63. And then you're writing your paper, you write, watching a humorous video has been shown to increase viewers' sense of hopefulness more than watching non-humorous content. So this is actually pretty good, okay, because that's actually what the research finds, right? So if they prove it, that's what they found. That's the evidence, the empirical, quantitative evidence that they have. Draw some conclusions from that, right? You can use that.